My name is Roman Jakub and I'm working for Tipsport, which is the biggest betting company in Central Europe. I'm responsible for internal IT and operations. We had issues with our SLA for customers, for internal customers. So ALVAO helped us to set up SLAs for services. It was great, and now we can reporting it. So our customers know how fast will their issue solved. Another problem was with asset inventory and with the life cycle of our hardware. It's covered now by asset inventory from ALVAO 2. There is many automatization which help us to change our assets in the right time. Appreciate native Power BI reports, which are really important for us. And another point is better planning of budgeting money for another year because we have perfect information about the life cycle.